In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Save Project folder in CapCut PC. If you want CapCut to store your draft projects in a different location on your computer, this is a very simple setting to update. It's especially useful if your main drive is running low on space, or if you prefer keeping your video projects organized in a dedicated folder or external drive. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option and how to save the change properly. To get started, open CapCut on your PC and go to your main editing workspace or homepage. From there, look toward the top left area of the interface for the settings gear. Click the gear icon once, then move down through the available menu items and select Settings. As soon as you do that, CapCut will open a larger settings window in the center of your screen. This is where the app's general configuration options are managed. Once the settings window appears, direct your attention to the row of tabs along the top. Click on the tab labeled Draft. This section contains the location settings related to where your project drafts are stored. After opening that tab, look for the line labeled Save To. On that same line, toward the far right side, you'll see a small folder icon. The path shown here represents the current folder CapCut is using to store your editing drafts and related working files. Now it's time to change that location. Move your cursor over to the small folder icon on the right side of the Save To line and click it once. This will open your computer's standard folder browser window. In that window, navigate to the drive and folder you want to use instead. You can choose a brand new folder location, including a dedicated project folder on another drive if that fits your workflow better. Once you've selected the folder you want, confirm the selection in the browser window. After that, return to the main settings panel in CapCut and look to the bottom right corner. Click the blue Save button to apply the change. That final step is important because it tells CapCut to use the new folder location going forward. From this point on, CapCut will save your upcoming draft project files to the folder you selected. If you manage lots of edits, this can make your storage setup cleaner and much easier to maintain. You're all set. Done.